Right here, you've got every promo code you're pushing, when it dies, and how many days it has left, and which video or web page that it's on. If the status flips to expire soon or expired, that description will need a fix really quick before any of your viewers type in a dead code. And that's where this tool comes in, the affiliate code expiry tracker. Welcome to Casey Builds It. Now, the reason I built this tool is so you can find expired or expiring promo codes super simple across any YouTube channel and website. So if you want to do this manually, you can log this information right here, which would then appear over here in the box. But we don't want to do anything manually, right? So you can go here, type in what code you're looking for. And for this example, I'm just going to put in SEO because I know that is throughout my channel and on my website. Now, in order to search through YouTube, you will need a YouTube Data API key, which is free. You just have to set that up. And if you have any issues or trouble setting that up, just click the button right here. But now we have the YouTube channel and we have the website. So I'm going to go ahead and click this button and it's going to go out and search to find all the different URLs and videos. Now, depending on how many videos and web pages you're trying to search, results on the time may vary. But once you do get the results, you're going to see this right here. So you have the title and which video or URL that it is. Now we can add all of these to the tracker, or you can select specific ones, but we're just going to click on add to tracker. But first we need to give it a campaign or sponsor name and an expired date. So we know when these need to be updated. So I just type a name in right here and then give it a date. Once that's done, now we'll click on add all to tracker. Now right here, we have the code that we were looking for, the campaign name that we gave it, the ending date for that code, and then how many days we have left. And then what the status is. Over here, we have the video or web page title and the URL. Once this is all done, you can go ahead and export this to a CSV. And then you can go back and make any changes that you need or know where you are with updating these codes when the time comes. And if we scroll down here, you can also find a filter. So if we need to look at, maybe what descriptions need to be updated, what are expiring soon, expired, active, you can filter through those really quickly. Now, this tool was pretty easy to build. I had to make a few adjustments after it was built, but if you want this tool, you can download it for free off the website, or you can use Cursor or any other AI tool and use the prompt that is also available on the website. But right now I have the prompt and we would just put it here in this box. And this is the prompt that I used to build the tool, just without Casey's Build It styling that you saw. In here, you would just hit the enter button and then Cursor or your AI tool will go ahead and create it for you. Now, this is made from Python. And if you do not have Python installed on your computer, there will be some different Python coding options that you will have to download and it will work. But if you don't want to do any of that, you just want to use the tool as is, you can go over to the website at caseybuildsit.com. If you click on the files section or the free tools section, you will see a couple different options. So in the files, you will have what I consider kind of blogs, but they talk about what the tool does, and then it gives you the options to download the prompt and then download the tool. Or you can simply just go to free tools and then you will find a list of all the tools that you can download for free. So take a look, find what tools might help you, and then you can download whichever ones that you would like.